Our new topic is about logarithms. A logarithm is another name for an index, and as we studied before, index rules. For example, you can write 1000 can be written as 10 to the power 3, and then we can say that logarithm of 1000 in the base of 10 is 3. So if n is equal to a to the x, we can say that x is the logarithm of n in the base a. So this n equal a to the x can then be written as well as x equal to log n with base a. This is how you say it. We're going to do some examples how to change from index form to logarithm. So the question would be saying write these in a logarithm form. So as we know that 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8, so that should be written as, therefore 3 is actually equal to log 8 base 2, and vice versa. You can change. Same thing here, you can say a half is equal log 5 base 25. Same thing, you can say 3 is equal to log 64 base 4. So you should be able to change from the index to logarithm or from logarithm to index form. Now in this example we're trying to switch from logarithm form to index form. Therefore, if we look at the first question, we have log 81 base 3 is equal to 4. So that can be written as 81 equal 3 to the power 4. Same thing here. But before we do this one, we need to remember that 0.01 is as well 10 to the power negative 2. So we can say 0.01 is equal to 10 to the power negative 2, as if 1 over 100. The last one, you can write 2 equal to 4 to the power half, as if you're saying the square root of 4 is equal to 2. This example is solving the equation x equal log 16 base 2. So transferring this first to index form, we could say 16 is actually equal to 2 to the power x. Then we have to think of 16 as a base of 2 to power what? 2 to the power 4 actually is equal to 16, and on this side leave it as x. Then you can equate, obviously x is equal to 4. Another question they can be asking you solve x equal log 3 base 9. Same thing, we transfer this format to index form, so you can say 3 is actually equal to 9 to the power x. Now we need to write the 3 as this is the power 1, and the 9 can be written as 3 squared to x. Therefore we can say 2x is actually equal to 1 and x is equal to a half. And that's the answer. These are a few logarithmic rules or properties that we will be using to help us solve certain equations, and they are quite similar to the index laws. So if you notice, for this one, when we have multiplication, it can be expanded to addition. When we have division, it can be expanded to subtraction. And when we have the power here, it moves multiplied to the front, and it can be written as this. These are some of the rules that we need to use. And there is another one where it says log a, log 1 base a is equal to 0, as well as when you have log a base a, it should be equal to 1. That can help you solve so many different equations. This is one of the examples that you can use the laws of logarithm in it. So the first thing, since we noticed that there is multiplication in between them, so we have to expand it, and it will be log x squared plus log y to the 4. Then after that we can get rid of the index form, the 2 and the 4, by doing 2 log x plus 4, this is a 4, log y. And this is simplified. Same thing with this one. We're going to be doing the top part. It gives me log x plus log y squared. Since there is multiplication, this part here is division, therefore I have to minus log z. Now if there is other stuff that we can simplify still, is the 2 here should go to the front, so it will be log x plus 2 log y minus log z. That's it.